Hi and welcome to the second part of the video on how to edit my videos in InShot video editor in a very professional way. If you want to watch the first part of this video, you can watch this. The link is given in the description below, and I'll also give it in the end screen so you can choose from there. So in the first video, we had discussed the options till the filters. Now in filter, there are some other options we're going to start to discuss. Now select your video and click filters. In filters, there's a very interesting option that is adjust. Click adjust. Now there are a lot of options in adjust where you can adjust the every lightness, the contrast, the warmth, the tint of your video. Okay, so let us adjust the we can see the contrast of our video. So you can see as I toggle this to the right, the contrast is increasing. As I bring it here, that is normal, and that is in the minus, and it gets darker. So okay, let's put this till 8. Okay, now let us click contrast and increase the little bit of contrast of this video. Now you can see it's getting very professional. It's getting very professional. And this warmth, the warmth of the video should not be more. It should be like 8. Okay, and this there are some other options. You can use air, and that is like this. These all options according to your video, you can use them. Okay, so click OK and click OK. This will apply this to your video. Now let us check the difference. Click this. You can see we're in the very that was we can see it the older version. Click this. Okay, we have gone into the newer version. Okay, now the second option with us is PIP. You call it PIP. With this option, you can insert another video or a picture in your video. Click PIP and this will open up like this. Now if I want to load a photo here, so you can just bring a photo. That is for example, I should bring some photo. That is this one. Okay, now this is the duration of the photo. You can increase or decrease this, and this is the size. You can increase or decrease this. You can set the angle. Okay, let us do this, and you can drag and drop it anywhere you want. So let me add this over here. For this, I'm going to cancel this. Click back and click again back, or I should just delete this. Click this and delete. Click OK. Now the next option with us is pre-cut. Pre-cut means cut the video before editing, before applying any we can say the sort of options, any special effects on this. Click pre-cut. There are 3 options in pre-cut. The trim mean directly cutting video like this from anywhere to anywhere. You can choose according to your wish. Okay, let's not cut it. The second option is cut. This will cut your video into 2 separate parts, leaving the middle one. You cannot drag this from here. You can just increase or decrease these ones. And the third option is split. Split does the same option like trim, but it will have some extra options in that. For example, if you want to trim your video into 2 separate parts without leaving the middle one, you can just click OK. If you want to cut your video in multiple parts, click multi-split and bring this here. Again click multi-split and bring this here. Now click OK. Now you can see your video is in 3 or 4 different parts. Okay. The next option is split. Split is the same option we had over there, but here we can directly cut a video into 2 parts. Now this is a single part of video. I just click split. It will split it, divide it into 2 parts, or cut it down into 2 parts. Now which part of the video you can keep and the second part you can delete, that is up to you. The next option with us is delete. Select any part of video and click delete. It will delete your video from the project. The next option with us, the background. If you want to apply a sort of background to your video, you should click background. You can use images or blurry images or any sort of color or any pattern or mixture or gradient for your video. Now let me select this pattern. Now you can see, you can zoom in and zoom out to see the background. If you use a very beautiful background like this one, and you should then, for example, I use this and I use this. Now you can see my video is looking very beautiful over here. For this time, I'll just undo it. It was for making you understand. Now there is very best, one of the best option is that is speed of the video. You can speed your video up and it'll go speed. Okay. Did you notice? Okay. Now the insects are moving slower. Now if we click this, if we click speed, and if we do this, now you can see the insect will move faster. Oh my god, I just did it very faster. The very next option, which is a very I can say lucrative option for us, that is crop. Click crop. Now you can see I have loaded a sort of video to make you understand the option of crop. How does the crop work? In crop, now see, I have just screen recorded this video using my camera. So you should just select this one. You can, there are multiple options you can select. You see, for YouTube, for this one, the recommended one is, which I recommend, is use no frame and just adjust the video according to your need. For example, I do this like this and then click OK. Now you can see, now again I'll click no canvas. This video I cut sort of part. Which part it was it? Yeah, this part. It was this part. Now you can see this part is working very well. You can then crop other parts of your video according to your wish. The next option with us is the volume. The volume works separately for each video you load into your project. For example, I want to mute the volume for this video, this part only. So I select this and I click volume. Now I can increase the volume to 200%. I can decrease the volume, or I just click over here to mute the video. Now I click this one, this part. Now I can, and here is another option. You can just extract the audio of this video file very easily. You can click this one. Now click OK. The next option with us is to simply replace a part of video. Now if you don't like this video, you can just click replace. It will open up your gallery. You can load another video over here and replace this with that one. The next option with us is to reverse a video. You can select your video and click reverse. Now see, it's just reversing the video. I just cancel for this time. The next option with us is select your video and to rotate your video. Oh my god, you can see what happened. You can see it's upside down. You can see left right. You can see it's now in its original position. The very next option with us is freeze. The freeze, it will freeze a part of your video. Now cursor is over here. I click freeze. It will split my video and freeze it. Let's see. That's his freeze. So thank you everyone for watching this video. It was a guide on how to use this InShot video editor to edit your videos in a professional method. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.